Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of air frying with what we believe is the best air fryer QVC has to offer, the Fabuletta air fryer. Let's get started by exploring what makes this air fryer stand out from the rest. The Fabuletta air fryer boasts an impressive 1,550 watts of power, utilizing 360 degrees rapid air circulation technology for quick and efficient cooking. With its industry-leading temperatures of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can enjoy your favorite dishes up to 30% faster than other air fryers. Imagine savoring juicy steak in just 6 minutes or crispy bacon in 8 minutes, all with up to 85% less oil. Plus, with even crisp and Thermo IQ technology, you're guaranteed golden, tender results every time. But it doesn't stop there. This air fryer offers a whopping 9 cooking functions, from fries and chicken to dessert and even dehydrating. The large digital screen allows for easy customization of time and temperature, ensuring every recipe comes out just right. And let's talk about convenience. The removable non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. With its compact design and 4-quart capacity, it's perfect for families of 2 to 4 people, fitting up to 10 chicken wings or 1.5 pounds of fries. With thousands of satisfied customers and a 24-month warranty, you can trust that your Fabuletta air fryer will deliver delicious meals for years to come. So there you have it, folks. The Fabuletta air fryer, the best air fryer QVC offers for quick, easy, and healthy cooking. Don't miss out on upgrading your kitchen with this incredible appliance. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy cooking!